These are my teammates in Transcom. They are the best. Okay, and we are currently here on the terrace area of this private resort that we rented. So let's take a look into this. Okay. So we have just ate. We also have our mini gift exchanging program, and of course there's foods here, banana, gifts, soft drinks, the sound system. Okay, what you have here? A rice cooker, yes, an iPod, and here's my teammate. This is Philip Parlay. Yes, he is one of our pioneering here in Transcom, and this is the grilling area. Okay, let's go down the pool area. Okay, so of course okay, we need to parlade number one. Yeah, that's so I'm currently holding this camera right now. So let's take a look. So there you go. This is the girls and this is the boys. This is the jacuzzi area. Okay. So this is the pool area. Let's interview some of our teammates.
Gino, kunin mo daw.
EOP, please. What do you say?
Could you please get something ni Mang Juan upstairs?
Maybe later. I'm filming right now.
Gino, can you please take the fried pork skin?
Pork skin of Mang Juan upstairs, please.
As you can see, I'm always the runner. So I'm gonna get the.
Tutulak at sa swimming pool.
I'll get what yell? Uy,
EOP.
what yell?
EOPT.
What did you say?
Can you get a plastic cup?
A glass.
I can hear you. Just kidding.
Tel, tulak ko na ba, Tel? Tulak ko na.
Wait. I'll just finish it.
Makakasila.
I'm sorry.
Anong gusto mo? PV na.
And this is Daddy Roby. This is our quality assurance specialist.
Sino ba kausap mo?
The people who will watch this video. Okay, Tio?
YouTube? Wala. In
And-
short, wala.
And this is our number one agent in OneTel.
Bully.
Ano mo?
The number one bully.
Gino, can you
And these are the people
The owner of the resort.
behind the scenes. That is Mommy Vic, the owner of the resort. Show your t-shirt. The Parokya ni Edgar
Villa
t-shirt.
Victoria.
Si Parokya ni Edgar. Villa Victoria. And this is our guest. It's Ronaldin Hapin. And in Claire.
Tulak mo nga ron.
And this is Jemery Kagimbal of Maragondon, Cavite.
Aba naman yun.
And
Tututrin mo kaya pas.
and these are the people.
Gino, could you
And we have our neighbor here, and we are so noisy. As you can see, there's no people here. It's a private resort. Okay?
It's public. Ano kasi?
And there is the attic. This is our room.
Ada other side. Ate ka room.
And there's the banana and the alcohol.
Isopropyl.
And where's the phenylpropanolamine hydrochloride chlorphanamine malgate? Paracetamol.
What the fuck?
With the generic name, Anaxon FR.
Lakas ng tama.
Kuha ka ng yung something ni Mang Juan and the baso.
The deep fried pork skin of Mang Juan. Can you please get?
And this is the rich kid.
I'll get that coin.
The rich kid Nico.
I get that coin, Phil.
What did you say that I get?
Stay.
Plastic cups and... Hey, don't push me there. Pork skin of mangwan.
Deep fried pork skin of Mang Juan.
Okay, let's... Let's do it very fast. Watch, cop. Let's get the plastic cups. There you go, plastic cups. There's no manguan here. Just this. None. None.